Hi everybody, I'm an industry giant still, Halo Sama, and I am at David Mitchell's booth, and he is doing a little, practice, because that's what you're supposed to do, practice every day, and you get better. And he's just working in some Copic inks techniques and whatnot. See if I can get this on video. It's awkward because, like, I have to use my laptop.
Right.
Well, because my GoPro hasn't been catching the sound footage.
Well, that's not good.
Yeah. There we go. So this is just regular Copic ink, and then in the jar over there, that's isopropyl alcohol.
Mm-hmm.
And then the Sharpie, you do this like for fine line. You mess around with that as well.
Yeah, it's like look at this one if I want to do like the fine lines. If I want like, something very specific,
Yeah.
I'll draw. And just get an outline or something. And then I just come right back over it with the isopropyl.
Huh. That's so clever. I've never thought to use Copic and alcohol that way.
Yeah, I mean it'll ruin the marker if you dip it in there too much. So that's why I got these clay shapers just to do the work for me there.
Yeah, I was about to say that I have some of those.
Yeah, I mean, well, the best part is when they're actually dying, like when they're drying out. Like this one's drying out, so every once in a while I'll just dunk it in there and let it sit. And the next time I go to use it, it's not full color, but it works for this.
Totally.
So that's a way to keep costs down because these things are kind of pricey. I was at one point I was buying like a new set like every month, buying a new set of Copics because I would just burn through them like this.
See, personally, we buy like the big ink wells and we just refill them a lot.
Yeah.
It saves time and money. We don't buy it for every color, just the ones that we use a lot of, like black, red.
Yeah, and I just use just the blacks because I do put color to them, but that's in Photoshop, so there's really no need to put color on the paper. I just scan it in value and do the colors in Photoshop.
I do a lot of coloring in Photoshop too.
And most of the time, like with this stuff, I have something in mind of like what these shapes can be, and I'll go to another sheet and actually redraw that shape larger. So when I scan this one in, I can put that one in over top of it, just for more detail. And sometimes I just completely change what I was doing just because I don't like it anymore.
Yeah.
It's brave.